So it's a hot topic, finding time for fitness. Because after 30, I think this is the most crucial point. People say that I don't have time for fitness. And even, there's a joke. Like, I have seen kids are saying, I don't have time. I don't have time. So now it's new normal, isn't it? But if you were talking like that, if you're saying that I don't have time for fitness, can you tell that same thing in a different way? Health is not a priority for me. When next time when you are saying that you don't have time for fitness, please repeat it in this manner that health is not a priority for you. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can manage time for your fitness and why it is crucial for you. So let's see what is there first. You have more time than you think. Yes. Now you'll tell me, Kaushik, you don't know my schedule, man. You don't know. I start my day 7 o'clock and I end it up about 9 p.m. Now you expect me to give 1 hour for fitness, something like that? Let me tell you, it's all about energy. When you're saying that you don't have time to execute something, that means you don't have energy to do something. Because if you're full of energy, you can finish some task in a short period of time. So to manage your time in an efficient way, you need to manage your energy. You need to start your day in such a way that you can manage all the tasks in a shorter period of time. Then everything is gonna change for you. So before improving something, before managing your time, what do you think? Like to anything, if you want to excel in your career, if you want to excel in your fitness, whatever, doesn't matter in which field. To improve anything in any field, first of all, you need to understand where you are standing right now. What is your current status? So to do that, we need to measure where you are spending your time right now. So this is the Excel sheet. I give you a 10 days challenge. I just give you a 10 days challenge. If you can accept this challenge, just comment there, yes, accept it. Your challenge accepted. Just start putting there every hour, just put it there what you are doing. Every day, just maintain that Excel sheet. Whenever you wake up in the morning, just fill up what you are doing in every hour. And there is another column which is written, is it urgent? If it is urgent, write it urgent. If it is not urgent, then write it not urgent. And if it is important. So then, once you are done for the day, find out what are those jobs which are really urgent and important for you. And you will find out where exactly you are spending most of your time. And I'm quite sure, because the result what I have received so far, most of the times where you are spending thinking too much about jobs, thinking too much about your work, and the execution rate is quite less. Because when you start overthinking on jobs, doing rather than doing something, if you keep on thinking something, that makes you feel that you are doing a lot of things, but in reality you are not doing. In reality you are getting tired because of thinking. So please write down within suppose 7 to 8 am what exactly you have done. It's not about what you have thought you are gonna do. It's about what is that outcome, what you have finished. That will tell you the productivity ratio. The second, you need a coach. Everybody needs a coach. Virat Kohli needs a coach. Bill Gates needs a coach. Everybody needs a coach. You need a coach not only for your physical fitness, you need a coach for your mental sharpness, for your mindset. Because in our community, we fix that mindset. We find that why you need to start a fitness journey. We set that foundation in such a way that you will never stop. So you need a coach who will be telling you that it's okay not to be okay. You need a coach who will tell you Okay, you had a biryani now, so what's the problem? If you're trying to quit smoking, one day you had a bad time and you smoked a cigarette, there is an end there. Still, you can quit smoking. You need a coach like that. You need a coach, even if you're a fitness expert. You need a coach to be accountable for your fitness journey. You need a coach who can be there in every part of your life, even in your when you're struggling with your relationship problem. See, the fitness in my community, fitness is not all about your physical transformation. That is the difference between other fitness program and in my community. It starts from within, and the reflection comes in your body, in your mind, in your relationship, in your wealth, in your career, everywhere. So you need a coach. The third one, exercise with your family. If you fix a particular time for your fitness and you directly go to the gym, basically that's my point of view. I don't know about yours, but what I feel, basically you are getting a lot of time from your family and you're putting somewhere, you're isolating yourself. Rather, if you change it in other way, if you can make it a family event, like you can engage your wife or husband, you can engage your kids as well. So you can have a family time, and that time is being productive as well. And at the same time, if your kids can see fitness, what exactly means to you, because they will start growing up while watching that. What does fitness mean to you? And that will be the boon of their growth. So that's how you can seed that health, wellness in your children's mind. That's how it affects. Okay. Now, your first hour decides your next 23 hours. That's a very, very good. Just remind yourself every day when you start your day. You will see there are many people. It's not few or some people. There are almost 90% people. They start their day like they directly jump into the flow of their life, and they end up in the same way. They are tired, they are out of energy, they feel like they have struggled throughout the day. So that is you need to spend that 1 hour. You need to wake up early, if that permits your life. You need to wake up early so that you can have that 1 hour for yourself. That's how I create in my community, that start early your day. And I know you will tell, Kaushik, I go to work and then I come back, then I need to spend some family time with my partner, then my kids. See, the problem is what? Now we have structured this Netflix and all. I am not against them, but this marketing things, they have marketed this binge watching and all. They have marketed their strategy in such a way that you have started believing that that is life. Staying late at night, that is quite normal, but that is not normal. You don't understand that they are using your psychology for their business benefits. So don't get trapped. You can sleep late, you can sleep early, you can wake up early. You can enjoy a cup of tea with your partner in the early morning while watching a sunrise. Last time when you did it? Huh? And nowadays what you are doing? Watching a series. Or sometimes even, I know both of you are on cell phone, not talking to each other. Spend time together, have a healthy, happy life. That is worthy. So your first 1 hour decides your next 23 hours. So be very attentive how you are going to start your day. That should be at least 45 minutes for sweating, at least 10 minutes for activating your parasympathetic nerves. That can be by yoga or meditation, and at least something which you can learn, because that is the first hour that will enrich your knowledge. And you need a cold shower, because that will make you feel, and you do it for next 7 days, and then tell me. I know that if you do it for next 7 days, you will feel the change. Yes, so that's it. So, and if you like my videos and if you like that there is some values that is really helpful for you, please like and subscribe my channels. And there is one bonus point for you. I have a link just below this video. There is a 5 ways how you can fuel your metabolism after 30, because that is the most crucial problem for most of the people who are above 30. So click the link below and download your free ebook which will help you to fuel your metabolism. So download that ebook. And another thing, there is another link which you can join my VIP group, which is Get Shredded After 30. So welcome in my group and stay blessed. Take care. Bye bye and namaskar. Bye bye.